Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look I'm gonna be doing today. It's a very peachy orangey eyeshadow look with cut crease and red lips. If you are interested in this look, then please keep watching and don't forget to like this video if you find this helpful and entertaining. And yeah, let's get started. My base makeup is done, so I'm starting off with the eyes. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Wild Animal Fierce palette. I'm using this matte orange shade on my crease and slowly building that up with a fluffy blending brush. Take your time to deposit the color first and then slowly blend it with very gentle strokes. Next, I'm taking this matte rusty brown color and using that to add depth to the crease. And now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eyelid. Slowly building the color up and then adding some more depth with the rust brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna take this very light peach matte eyeshadow and use that right under my brow bone to diffuse the crease color. So this is gonna help blend the crease color very gradually up to the brow. Then I'm making sure that the two colors are nicely blended without adding any more product on the brush. Doing the same thing on my other eyelid, and now I'm gonna be cutting my crease with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. Make sure that the concealer layer is not too thick and wait for it to dry for a few seconds before applying eyeshadow on top of it. Making sure that the edges are crisp and the shapes are uniform. Next, I'm gonna take this medium brown matte eyeshadow and apply that on the outer corner of the lid. And also on the inner corner. Next, I'm gonna take this beautiful shimmery nude pink color and use that in the middle of the lid. Take your time to saturate the color thoroughly. Next, I'm taking this matte orange and using that on the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna take that same medium brown matte eyeshadow and use that on the lower lash line to deepen it further. I'm resaturating the inner and outer corner of the eyelid with the same matte orange eyeshadow. Then I'm taking this pearly white color and using that to highlight my brow bones and inner corner. Adding a little bit of gold on the lash line to add some depth, and then smudging it with a pencil brush. Then I'm gonna use a white gold on my waterline. This one is by Wet n Wild. You can totally skip this step, but kindly, I'm really enjoying white coals and it really helps to brighten up your eyes and make them look bigger. Next, I'm gonna be using this beautiful pressed glitter by Miss Rose in the shade 02. It's a beautiful silver pressed glitter and I'm gonna use that in the middle of my eyelid to add some more dimension and a lot of shine. This is an optional step, but this really helps to elevate the look to another level. Now, pressed glitters are a little tricky to use. Make sure you use a tiny applicator brush and scoop the product up carefully with the brush and use that brush to press the product in on top of your lid without dragging it too much. Again, take your time to build the product up little by little. You don't need to use any adhesive or binding product to use this glitter. You can just directly use this on top of your eyeshadow. I'm using the Lakme Shine Line in black to do my winged liners today. Now, using some mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. For highlighters, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Soap X highlighter palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful pink shade from the palette for my highlighting today. And now highlighting and contouring my nose a little. For blush, I'm gonna use the Lakme Absolute Blush Duo in the shade Rose Blush today. Now I'm gonna line my lips with the Faces lip liner in red. For lipstick, I'm using a MAC matte lipstick in the shade Russian Red. It's a classic matte red lipstick and it looks pretty on every skin tone. I'm wearing the PAC Pro 05 lashes and I've already made a review video on these lashes. If you're interested, please do check that out. Please don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of makeup and product review related videos in my channel. So if you're interested, please do check them out and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.